Hello students! Welcome to the video lesson intended for you, grade 7 students. I am your teacher, Teacher April. Good morning everyone. So we are now in week 7 for this quarter and our lesson is about circle. Now, at the end of the lesson, you are expected to illustrate a circle and the terms related to it, the radius, diameter, center, arc, chord, central angle, and inscribed angle. Now, what is a circle? So, these are examples of a circle-shaped object in real world. So, we have the wheel, a dart, an orange, a plate, a round table, a ring, and a ring light, and many more. So, one of the important shape in geometry is a circle. Now, in geometry, a circle is the set of all points on a plane having a fixed distance from a fixed point called the center. It is measured in terms of radius. Now, let us discuss the different terms related to a circle. Number 1 is center. The center is the fixed point in the circle. So, in this illustration, point P is the center and the name of the circle is circle P. Next is the radius. The radius is the line segment from the center to any point on the circle. So in this illustration, in circle A, line segment AB is the radius. Remember, the radius is 1/2 of the diameter. Okay? And what is a diameter? A diameter is a line segment that passes through the center and whose endpoints lie on circle. So in this illustration, line segment CD is a diameter. The diameter goes straight across the circle through the center. So dumadaan siya sa center of a circle. So it is twice the radius. A diameter also is a chord that passes through the center of the circle. Take note, every diameter is a chord. Okay? Next term is a chord. A chord is a line segment joining 2 points on the circle. So in this illustration, we have line segment CD and line segment EF are the chords. So, itong line segment CD is considered as a chord. So, since every diameter is a chord. Okay? And also, line segment EF. Since this line segment joining 2 points on the circle. The next term related to a circle is an arc. An arc is a portion of a circle. An arc could be a semicircle. When we say semicircle, kalahati, an arc that is half a circle. So in this illustration, the semicircle is arc GH and arc GBH. Okay? Or it could be minor arc. When we say minor arc, an arc shorter than a semicircle. So that is BG, arc BG, and arc BH. Next, it could be a major arc. When we say major arc, an arc longer than a semicircle. So that is BHG. Okay? Next term is the central angle. When we say central angle, it is an angle whose sides are two radii of a circle and whose vertex is the center of the circle. So, meron tayong ditong point A as the vertex. Meron tayong dalawang radius. This will serve as the sides of the angle. So, tawag dito ay central angle. Next term is an inscribed angle. So, pag sinabing inscribed angle, it is an angle whose vertex is on the circle. So, nasa circle mismo ang vertex. Okay? And whose sides contain chords of a circle. So, mas mahaba yung side of the angle. So, in this case, in this illustration, we have angle HJI is called the inscribed angle. Now, let's have an example. But before that, let us review using the two figures. In figure 1, the red one is what you call the diameter. The green one is the radius, which is half the diameter. And the violet one is the chord. Then, in figure 2, we have two angles. The angle whose vertex is on the circle is what you call the inscribed angle. We have the green one, which is the central angle. Using the figure at the right, identify the parts of the circle. A circle is named by its center. So, we will name this as circle P. The center is point P. This is the center. Okay. Next, let us identify the radius or the radii. We have line segment PA, line segment PC, and line segment PB. So, those are the radii. Next, let us identify the diameter. The diameter is line segment BC or line segment CB. Okay, next. Let us identify the chords. The chords are, we have line segment DE and line segment BC. So, those are the chords. Then, what are the arcs? The arcs are, we have arc CA, arc AB, arc ED, arc ABC, arc AEC, arc CAB, and arc CEB. Okay? Next is the central angle. The central angles are, we have, ito. Yan. CPA and angle APB. So, that is the central angles na kung saan ang vertex ay nasa center. Now, let's have example number 2. So, in here, you're going to illustrate circle B, having the radius of line segment BC, a diameter of line segment AD, a chord which is line segment ED and AD. We have the arcs, the central angle, and the inscribed angle. So, ang una nyong gagawin ay mag-draw kayo ng circle. Mark the center of the circle as point B. Then, let us illustrate the radius, which is line segment BC. So, meron ka ng B. Draw ka na lang ng line segment from point B. Then, ang endpoint niya ay nasa circle. So, name this endpoint as C. So, meron ka ng radius na line segment BC. Next, para naman sa diameter, mag-draw ka lang ng line segment na dadaan sa center na kung saan ang endpoint niya is on the circle. So, kung ito center, so gawa ka lang ng line na dadaan siya doon sa center and then yung endpoint ay nasa circle. Then, name the diameter as line segment A, D. Okay? Next is the chord. So, yung chord, since meron ka ng chord AD, kasi every diameter is a chord. So, magdodraw na lang tayo ng line segment ED. So, meron ka ng point D, draw ka na lang ng yan. So, this is point E. Okay? So, this will be your chord line segment ED. Then, line segment AD. Okay, next. Letter D is an arc. So, meron na tayong arc na DC, CA, AE, we have DCA. So, ito is also an arc. Okay. Then, we have also DEA. Yan. This is also an arc. Semicircle. Okay. Next, central angle. Central angle natin is angle ABC. So, angle ABC. So, this angle is the central angle wherein the vertex is the center. Okay? Next, we also have angle CBD. So, we also have, yan, this is also a central angle. Okay, next is the inscribed angle. So, ang inscribed angle natin is angle ADE. So, ito yun. This will be your inscribed angle. Okay? So, this is how you illustrate circle B. Now, let's have learning task number 1. So, all you have to do is look around inside your house, then illustrate 5 things that represent a circle. So, sa unang discussion natin, mayroon na rin akong naibigay ng mga example of a circle. So, ano-ano pa yung mga example ng circle na makikita sa inyong bahay. So, magbigay ng 5. Okay? Example, wheel. Okay, next is your assessment. In your assessment, all you have to do is to choose the letters of the correct answer. So, pipiliin nyo lang ang tamang sagot. Read and analyze. Okay? So, that's all for today. Good luck and happy learning. Thank you for watching. Always remember, study with love, study with all your heart. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Stay safe. God bless.